Hello friends, welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm going to be doing a centerpiece using this yardstake that I picked up from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Okay, so this thing's rather large at the bottom. So what I want to do is I want to build it up. So I'm going to put some styrofoam down first, and then I'm going to go in with this foam for dried flowers, and I'm going to put that right on top. This way I have a way of putting my florals and my greenery into this bucket. While my glue gun is heating up, I'm going to prep my florals. Now I have this that I picked up from the Dollar General a long time ago, and I want to use the greenery from this, so I'm just going to pluck these right out of this grapevine root. Right, greenery is prepped. All right, so for my florals, I always like to push the leaves up. You don't want to be too aggressive when you're putting the leaves up to the actual florals, because the florals will pop off. Tack. I'm going to leave them kind of long because I don't know what length I want them at. Some are going to be shorter, some are going to be longer. But basically I'm going to do that with all of my florals here. And I'm just going to make piles. So greenery pile, floral pile, and I'm just going to keep going until I have them all off of the stem. This bucket is rather light, so I want to make sure I give it some weight. So I'm going to go in with some glue at the bottom. And I want to add these decorative vase filler. I picked these up from the Dollar Tree. I just want to give it some weight, so I'm just going to do a thin layer at the bottom. I'm going to glue the bottom of this and put that in, because what I'm trying to do is build up some height. Put some glue in between the foam. Glue that together. Got my glue pot all heated up and ready to go. This is going to make it easier for me. I'm just going to dip my florals in there and then go in to the foam. So I'm going to get started with the greenery. I might need more greenery, which I have plenty of, so I'm not worried about it. All right, so the handle is on this side, so I think I want my stake to go over here. So wish me luck. Just going in with some glue. There, that's good. Now I want to fill in with my florals. No rhyme or reason, just going in with it. Wherever I want to. Do what I want. I'm not worried about these little glue strings because you can take a hairdryer to it when you're done. How cute is that so far? That's adorable. I have this scrap greenery laying around. It looks like I got it from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to trim some of this up and put it in my basket. I only have this one little stem left, floral stem, so I'm just going to go ahead and use it. This is going to be a nice full basket. Now I'm going to go in with my hairdryer to get rid of those loose glue strands that are all over this arrangement. There it is, friends. Friends, this is my completed project. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.